What's up, guys? Today we're going to be changing out the blower motor on a 1989 Delta 88. To change it out, there's 5 7mm bolts, 1 2 3 4 5, and then there's that clip right there. Just take off the clip and then get a screwdriver under there or something to pry it off and pull the blower motor out. Here we got the brand new blower motor, and we're going to go ahead and install it. It pretty much goes in one way, so let's get it in. Make sure you get the cage in nice and easy, you don't want to break it. And line up the holes. Holes right there. And you just make sure you sit it flush. Get all 5 in, and then plug in the connector and you're good to go. There we got the brand new blower motor installed, and we're ready to try it out. So there it is, nice and quiet. Looks like a job well done. So here I am back at home, and I got the blower motor here. I hooked it up to the battery just so I could show you guys a little bit more about it. I've got the power and ground hooked up. They're hooked up down here where the connector would be on the car. And I've got a little remote starter so I could start it up from over here and not have to keep plugging it in and out. Okay, so I'm just going to give this thing a go so you guys could see how it went wrong. So as you guys heard in the video and saw right now, it seems like the bearings went out on this. Now, if you were to go to a junkyard and get yourself another blower motor, you could. If just the cage was broken, you could swap out the cage as well. You could even do the motor, but this thing was probably about $30, so brand new is probably the way to go. If you did want to take it apart, you just take off this little nut right here, pop off the cage. As for the sound, that grinding sound, in this case it was the bearings on the blower motor. It could have also been leaves or something that goes down through the cowl, and then as the blower motor is working, let's say something like a little stick or twig or whatever gets stuck right here, so the blower motor is going to keep hitting it and make a grinding noise. It could also be that something did go inside and then hit one of these vanes, and as it was spinning would have broken it, and then you'd have little bits and pieces of the plastic grinding. In this case, our blower motor was very easy to get to. It was right there, right in front of us. It'll be like that on some cars and most trucks. If it's not right there in the firewall, then it's most likely going to be in the cab, and it'll be under the glove compartment, so you'd probably have to reach in, pull the glove compartment door off, and then it'll be right under there.